Welcome to your Jody AI Rundown for Columbus McKinnon on Wednesday, May 27, 2020. Inflation and other market conditions. Our costs are affected by inflation in the U.S. economy and, to a lesser extent, in non-US economies including those of Europe, Canada, Mexico, South America, and Asia Pacific. Such economic developments, like Brexit or the China trade wars, may affect our business in a number of ways. In 1986, Magnatech acquired the stock of Universal Manufacturing Corporation, Universal, from a predecessor of Fruit of the Loom, FOL, and the predecessor agreed to indemnify Magnatech against certain environmental liabilities arising from pre-acquisition activities at a facility in Bridgeport, Connecticut. Part of our strategy is to expand our worldwide market share and reduce costs by strengthening our international distribution capabilities and sourcing components in lower-cost countries, such as China, Mexico, and Hungary. The decrease in general and administrative expense was partially offset by $1,528,000 in increased bad debt expenses, $1,455,000 in costs incurred to close a plant in the Asia-Pacific region and reorganize the business, $635,000 in tax professional services fees primarily related to a legal entity restructuring, $624,000 in increased medical and benefit expenses, $436,000 of occupancy costs for our Center of Excellence in North Carolina, and $352,000 in increased environmental costs. These increases were offset by a prior year insurance settlement for $2,362,000 which did not reoccur in the current year, $1,717,000 in increased tariffs, $1,473,000 in costs incurred to consolidate the Salem, Ohio facility, and $1,223,000 in gross profit from sold businesses. On July 27, 2017, the United Kingdom's Financial Conduct Authority, which regulates LIBOR, announced that it intends to phase out LIBOR by the end of 2021. We have operations and assets located outside of the United States, primarily in China, Mexico, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, and Hungary.